Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this video I will show you Amazon Prime Video versus Netflix comparison. So this comparison will be in pricing, content, originals, UX, availability, and global reach. First is pricing. Amazon Prime Video is $9 a month standalone, and bundled with Prime it can be $15 per month and ads extra. Netflix is $8 with ads, $18 stand ad free, or $25 premium, so it is basically 4K and more screens. Content library is very variable, so Amazon Prime Video has a larger library, wider range of genres, includes rentals. And Netflix curated catalog has 6,000 plus titles and highly rated originals, original shows and exclusives. Amazon Prime Video has The Boys, Reacher, Rings of Power, Jury Duty, and Netflix has Stranger Things, The Crown, Global Impact originals. User experience is basically Netflix has a slick UI, strong personalization, seamless cross-device continuity, and Amazon Prime Video has X-ray feature, Fire TV integration, and slightly complex UI. Availability and global reach. Netflix is basically available in 190 plus countries, and 301 million subscribers has it. Amazon Prime Video is in fewer countries, but it has also a lot of users, so 205 million. So the summary table is basically something like this. Pricing, Amazon is lower core price, bundled perks, and Netflix has more tiers and higher 4K cost. Content, Amazon is largely library rentals, and Netflix has a curated top-rated originals content. So those originals, Amazon has a strong and varied, and Netflix has a high quality and award-winning. User interface is basically a feature-rich and complex UI on Amazon, and clean, intuitive, and personalized on Netflix. Availability is fewer countries on Amazon and global reach, 190 countries on Netflix. So this is the conclusion and recommendations. Best for value-focused viewers is basically Amazon Prime Video, and best for quality experience is definitely Netflix. So best of both, subscribe to both for originals plus variety. My final thoughts, Amazon Prime Video equals value, variety, bundled services, and Netflix equals originals, user experience, global accessibility. Choice depends on budget, taste, and ecosystem preference.